entire computer again, so I don't know about my settings. I don't know, but I'm back from resetting my entire computer. I wanted to show you guys a starter basically boosting on everything that you need to know and work on. This will be for simple stuff like how you need really fast for beginners, and yeah. So everything that you'll need is a few field dice. In this case, I'm probably just gonna use one of my I don't have a smooth one. Never mind. So I think I'll just use like a loaded in. In this case, like, first thing that you gotta do is choose your place that you want to boost in. In this case, I recommend if you're trying to go up quests. For an example, I have more blue bees than red bees. And if I'm trying to get the Rosefield boost, then I would go for Rosefield. Pineapple should be for blue hives, but yeah. So everything that you'll need is just field dice, and then the field that you are in, depending on like which one like you want to use. And then you'll need 2 glitter for the max combo. But that's really it. So in total, this boost can last around 45 minutes. Yeah, for starters, this is basically for starters. So, if you want to, you can minimize this to 30 minutes. If you only have 1 glitter, which I'm going to use 1 glitter. Also, I would like to announce, I'm very, very close to it. The only thing I'm missing is enzymes, and then the spirit petal, and then 2 glitter when I'm done with this. Don't mind that chat. Don't mind it. Someone just said, who turned on RTX? I just said your mom did. Because who knows? Who knows? Anyways, yeah. So, step 1. Use a loaded dice. Oh, dang it, I messed it up. So basically, it's not like what I did. So use glitter and then a field dice. And then keep using it until you get the field that you want. Like I'm pretty close to mid-game, but pretty far away at the exact same time. But if you have porcelain dip, this should be close, but just don't think that you get I have many bashes done. Anyways, yeah, that's basically how you boost. Just remember, don't do what I did. Do not use the field dice first. Use the field dice last. So like 5 seconds. I recommend around 15 because for some reason goes away after 5 seconds. So do it around like 30 seconds. That way you and then once you use glitter and wait how long that you want. Then just use your field dice or loaded dice or smooth dice, depending on which one. So you get the field, and then yeah. Then you should get a pretty good boost like I did. And that should be any quest I was already at like 40 and now I'm already like that's basically stuff. It's pretty that you gotta remember you're not Elo, up to you. I find it really awesome when it comes down to stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot. Kind of like sprinklers and like a little kind of like this. And if you're really willing to, kind of like Elol. Elol isn't like this, but you can use your honey wealth and ticket converter, which I get a little more honey. I think it's like a certain boost, I think is what it is. Anyways, yeah, that's basically how you do this. Goodbye.